The concept of a plant-based diet emerged in the early 20th century as a response to concerns over the health impacts of consuming animal products. In 1913, American physician William Henry Sheldon proposed the Leisure Master diet, a plant-based diet, as a healthier alternative to the meat-centric diet of the time. The diet was designed to promote longevity and was popular among early proponents of vegetarianism and veganism. Key developments in the late 20th century led to a more robust understanding of the health benefits of plant-based diets, as research showed that diets high in fruits, vegetables, and whole grains were associated with lower risks of chronic diseases, such as heart disease, type 2 diabetes, and certain cancers. A significant turning point was in 1994, when researchers from the Harvard School of Public Health published a landmark study in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition, which found that a diet rich in fruits, vegetables, nuts, and grains was associated with a significantly lower risk of heart disease. This study helped to solidify the notion that a diet based on plants could be highly beneficial for health. The health benefits have been supported by numerous studies since then, with a growing body of evidence showing that plant-based diets can also aid in weight management, reduce the risk of obesity, and lower the overall environmental impact of diets. Notably, a study published in 2021 found that a 40% reduction in meat and dairy consumption could prevent 8.1 million premature deaths globally by 2050, largely due to improved health outcomes. However, the shift to plant-based diets has also led to economic changes, with the decline in meat and dairy sales affecting industries such as agriculture and food processing. Despite these drawbacks, the benefits of a diet centered around plant-based foods continue to drive widespread adoption, particularly in affluent nations and among younger generations. Looking ahead, projections suggest that the global demand for plant-based foods will continue to rise, driven by growing health concerns, environmental pressures, and evolving consumer preferences. By 2050, the global market for plant-based food is predicted to surpass $200 billion, with significant growth expected in sectors such as plant-based milk, meat alternatives, and sustainable farming practices. As research in this area continues to evolve, the future of diets centered around plants is likely to be shaped by ongoing advancements in food technology, environmental sustainability, and public health initiatives.